called, its moniker is known as the Boulevard of Death for a reason. And that's because over the years there have been so many accidents. Between 1990 and 2017, 186 people, right? Including 138 pedestrians died in collisions. And from 1993 to 2000, 72 pedestrians were killed trying to cross. Over here, it's not that bad on this side. It's like 4 lanes. But as you go way down, as you go toward the west, as you're approaching toward Manhattan, the Queensboro Bridge, it becomes very wide and dangerous. So 18 people were killed alone in 1997. So I'm going to take a walk down Queens Boulevard, the Boulevard of Death. That's its moniker.